The Bexly cleaning range is your cleaning companion for your home and office. For a more sparkly clean look on your vehicle every time, the Bexly Auto Shine's powerful formula removes dirt, grime and grease effortlessly, protecting your vehicle's finish. If you want crystal clear glass results every time, don't fret. Try our range of Bexly Crystal Clear Glass Cleaner. The Bexly Fresh Air Deodorizer and Air Freshener is more than just a mask for unpleasant odors. Its formula neutralizes odors at their source, leaving your surroundings smelling fresh, hygienic, and truly fresh. Combat germs and unpleasant odors with the superior power of Bexly Germ Guard. This hospital-grade formula boasts exceptional disinfectant properties to keep your environment clean. Tackle even the toughest cleaning challenges with the Bexly Degreaser, a highly effective industrial-strength degreaser. Transform your daily hand washing with Bexly Soft Touch Liquid Hand Soap. This premium formula is crafted with natural oils that clean and moisturize your hands. Have a tough stain that you cannot remove? Our range of Bexly Spotless Liquid Bleach is a powerful and effective solution that gets your place looking spotless. Say goodbye to stubborn toilet bowl stains and hello to a clean and fresh bathroom with Bexly Loo Shine Toilet Bowl Cleaner. The Bexly Ultra Wash multi-purpose detergent tackles tough, dirt and grime easily, leaving your surfaces sparkling clean. Get your Bexly cleaning products today at Theodis Business Superstore, proudly serving you for over 50 years.